up guys, welcome back for another YouTube video with your boy Dremix. So right now it's 11 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna do a last minute fish trip. And I'm not by myself today. I got my boys. We got Lauren. Lauren! We got Jacob in the back. Yes, and his girlfriend Kelsey. Let's go. And if you haven't been here before, we do adventure vlogs throughout the state of Hawaii and hopefully throughout the world. And what I mean by adventure vlogs, we do hiking, fishing, a little bit of hunting. We're gonna do some rappelling, so pretty much whatever adventure you can think. We're just gonna send it for the boys. They see that like button underneath this video, just false them. You know what I mean? There's a little bit of wave activity, just a little bit. All good. Yeah, Jacob fell. Very lucky never hit your head on the table or your neck. Hit him in the neck! Hit him in the neck! Not the neck! We here and we're queer. So I'm gonna have to angle the camera out of the way so the wind doesn't hit my mic. So bear with me. Here we go. Caught something. Let's go. Yes, Lauren caught the first fish of the day. Or second fish. I got the first one. Caught a small guy. Hungry! Huggy! Huggy. You hold him up? Pink tail. Huggy. That's what I know it as. Sick one, bro. Sick. If you can hear me, sorry guys, as I was editing I realized it was way too windy for me to play it. And I didn't want to just put music behind it, so I figured I'd do a weird voiceover. Well, maybe not weird, but I'll do a voiceover. Nope, way too windy, bro. Sorry. Looked kind of weird as I was casting. Hey. I'm sure you guys heard that. I always get stuck. Every video, something always gets stuck. Yeah, man. I remember the lead hitting my shoulder, right here. Alright, at least you caught another one. This guy's on a roll. You got two Hinalea. Yep, too windy. So right there is a Hinalea, endemic to Hawaii. Okay, that is probably one of the most easiest fishes to catch. So for all you brothers frustrated out there catching all the Hinaleas, no worries, the moho line in you. Jacob caught a fish. Let's go. Let's see. Huggy. Huggy. That's a good size one. Yes, boy. Bro, it is so windy. Probably gonna switch to a different spot. Next spot is probably less windy. New spot, super hot though. All good. I hope you catch something because this past couple of days we haven't been getting much. Full sand, bro. If you fall down, I'm gonna laugh first and then ask if you're alright. I know you would. Oh, the salt breeze hits my camera, no. Jacob got two. He got the biggest. Lauren caught three, so he has the most. And I got the smallest. Yeah. So hey, I mean, at least I'm winning something. Let's go. I want to change my tactics by peeling off the price tag on my floater. And made in Taiwan. Nothing yet. You suck. It's called a mamo. Show them a little bit. Yeah, sick one. Nice. Yeah, live bait. Jacob just caught this Hinalea like 2 minutes ago. Send it out. Make sure it's alive first. One more time, floater action. Nothing seems to be biting the Hinalea after I wiped this lens. Bro, I just missed it. So I'm wiping the lens on this camera, okay? I accidentally catch a fish. Okay, it's a little pa'a. That's not the funny part. I was wiping the lens on this camera, okay? I had my bait in the hook sitting in the water on accident. I pull up and there was a pa'a, the same fish you caught, the rockfish. But the funny part about it was there was a bigger one on this. So I obviously caught this little one and the bigger one ate this guy. And they pulled it up, but they ended up dropping. But Bro, like literally seconds right before I turn the camera on. What the hell? Everything happens when the camera's on. So I figured we might as well just keep it up with the floater action, the calamari. We don't have anything else for bait other than this Hinalea. And I just keep it up to see what we got. Maybe catch some stuff, but not me. Bro, I'm watching my tip and it's like not really moving, but it's kind of moving. Come on!
I wanna be no one ever was.
Bro, I just want to catch a fish. Oh, oh. Ah.
Okay.
You got something.
You got something?
Yeah, at least I got something. Yeah, I got 2 fishes. Okay, so Jacob got 2, I got 2, Lauren got 3.
Yeah, I got 3.
Triggerfish. Oh yeah, he got 3 fish. That's right. It's his Hinalea. Triggerfish. It's always good to catch something.
Have a good one.
Until next time, my friend.
Yes, sir.
You gotta leave. You gotta do adult things. It's okay. You gotta do the good to get the good.
Stay longer.
All good.
Take
Good
it
to
easy.
have you here, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you better drive safe, kid. Don't
trying.
drink and drive. Peace out, Girl Scout. Ahoy ho. Don't forget to change your underwear.
At the bottom.
Yeah, at least you got something. Look like one humu humu. The state fish, but I don't have no idea. I have no idea what kind of fish that is. But hey, it's a fish. So you're in the lead of the most dunking action, but I'm gonna hold on to the pole this time. Another one. Oh, Jacob just caught another fish. What is that for? 5 fish already. So far, Jacob got 5 fish. Bro, I'm feeding these fish. Come on. No bait did it. All right, let's go. Come on. Catch some fish, damn it. Ah! You heard that, right?
Bro.
Damn it. Wait. I got a fish. Ah! I didn't catch a fish. What the fudge? Oh, my weight came off, but the bait stayed on.
All I heard is something like real softly.
Yeah, so yeah, that was my weight that got ripped off. My bait and the hook's still on. I've seen the fish bite them. Ah! Come on! Oh, okay, Roger, thanks. Oop, nope. Hey, even though we only catching huggies and Hinaleas, we're still catching. Yes, what do you got, like 6? 7? 7, right? You definitely winning the quantity part and the biggest part.
Right, winner.
Yeah, this guy. Oh, yeah, you funny guy. Yeah, nice one. That's a mean goldfish. Yeah, you.
Oh, you're fucking still up there.
Yeah. This is probably the best fish of the day. Goldfish. It's a good size one. Like, I don't know if it's too small, but she goes.
Right when I'm fixing the top of my pole too.
Nice. Yes, I'm doing a big fight. Oh shit. Yeah, I made this bad boy in. Oh, what is that? Oi. Okay. I was like, oh, it's a variety of Hinalea. Could be like a female or a male.
Oh shit. That was a fucking huge choppers.
Hold him up. Yeah. Sick one, bro. What are you, 8?
You should try with your point. Something like this.
Whoa. But I did. I was dunking with him. I had calamari. Nothing was biting.
Right in here, bro.
Yeah, dude, right there. Exactly where you was. That's where I was. Maybe only now they're hungry.
Probably.
So Jacob caught the most fish. We what, 8? I think I had like 3 or 4 and Lauren had like 4. So Jacob got the biggest and the most and I got the smallest. Let's go! right on, guys, that is a vlog. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. You can follow my friends on Instagram as well. I will have their names in the description below. You know, it seems like I don't really catch that much fish. It's usually my friends, and this is my channel. But it's always fun to come out here with the boys. I did not catch much, but it is all good. I had fun out here, and I hope you guys had fun too. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Follow your boy, support your boy, and until next time, shoot.
Hit the bell icon.
Oh yeah, hit the bell icon. You see him, yeah? You make your hand into a fist, and then you punch that bell icon. Okay, so turn on that turn on the notifications so you know when I post a video. Yes, let's go shoot.